Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can manually turn on night shift into tomorrow on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and in here, tap on display and brightness. Next, scroll down and tap on night shift. Now in here, tap on the manually enable into tomorrow button. So tap on the toggle button to switch it on. This will basically turn on night shift into the next day. When tomorrow comes, it will automatically switch off night shift. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.